After all accusations and allegations, guys, Mr. Mkhunu did not step back. He decided to respond to Mr. Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, guys. So here's the response of Mr. Mkhunu to Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
The day South Africa allows one person, whoever it is, to suspect somebody, and after suspecting somebody, go on to investigate, and then after investigating, then becomes a prosecutor, and then becomes a judge or a magistrate, and issues a verdict, all in one place. One person does all of that. That will be the direct and 100% reversal of what the struggle for justice is about and what South Africa that we are building is about. And that will be the end of all of us in the country. Now, the system of justice in South Africa allows, yes, whoever wants to make whatever allegation against whoever, do so, but then stop and then allow those you are accusing to then have an opportunity to defend themselves or to present themselves and say, yes, I heard this, but it is like this from where I sit and submit evidence. And that is the South Africa that we want, that we are building. So those who are calling for this and that, those who are and so on, my humble appeal, not because the allegations have something to do with me as well, and much as it is about other institutions and other departments, but I'm saying it is fair to wait for the commission to deliberate 100%. It is for this reason that I support that, and I still support what the president decided on. It's fair and square.
Yep, guys, that was Mr. Mkhunu's response to Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, guys, about their accusations and allegations. I don't know what's your take on this one. You can also leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video.